This tutorial will teach you how to use up some leftover scraps of fabric to create a truly unique scrap carrot pillow. All you need is some orange scraps and some green scraps. You can download the pattern for this pillow in the description below and follow along with the step-by-step tutorial. To start with, you want to arrange your orange fabric scraps. So collect all of your orange scraps from your recent projects and start playing around with them to make a collage that you like. Then you want to sew your orange scraps together. I'll usually start with the smaller pieces and then add on the larger pieces. After sewing your orange collage together, it's time to cut out your carrot pillow pattern. Make sure you cut two so you have one for the front and one for the back of your pillow. Now we want to do the same thing for the carrot greens. Make your collage, sew your pieces together, and then cut out your carrot, and then cut out two carrot top pieces. The next step is to sew your carrots to your carrot tops. Make sure to sew them with right sides together and then press the carrot tops up and away from the carrots. Now you want to sew the two sides of the pillow together. So with right sides together, sew the front of the carrot pillow and the back of the carrot pillow. Make sure to leave a little gap at the top of the carrot greens so that you'll be able to turn it to the right side. Once sewn together, clip the corners and curves and turn your carrot pillow to the right side. It can help to use a long pointy tool like a loop turner or a chopstick to help get your edges turned out nice and neat. Now it's time to stuff the pillow. You can use whatever you want to stuff your pillow. I like to use leftover fabric scraps that are too small to use for anything else. But this does make the final pillow a little bit more lumpy than it otherwise would be. So if you don't like that, you can always use a more traditional pillow stuffing material instead. After stuffing, all you need to do is sew up the gap and you're finished. You have a truly unique scrap carrot pillow for this Easter season.